fantastic and fabulous. I'm gonna make a green smoothie, and I started off already by simple adding some spinach to my blender. I got some spinach in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna put roughly about 1/2 cups of water. Not too much water, cause you know what I mean, you don't want to have too much water and it get too runny. And split. Alright. Now we're gonna put some cucumber, because I love my cucumber. Inside of it, I got roughly about quarter of a cucumber. Not a lot. I mean, these are just some leftover ingredients from recent, which I was making before. I got some lemon. You can use lemon if you like. 1/2 of a lime. Lovely. I got apple. Nice one. And also, I'm going to, if I have ginger, so now ginger is a must. That is beautiful. Look, I say I got some. Oh yeah. Oh whoa! I got flat parsley. Really nice. I love my parsley. Put some parsley inside of it. I got some fresh mint. Oh, put a piece of fresh mint. Nice one. I know I got some ginger. Where's my ginger? I'm gonna put a fingers of ripe banana because I love ripe banana in my smoothie. You know what I mean? Yeah. Beautiful. This is exactly what we're talking about in the evening or in the morning for you guys to make. Alright? Now I'm just gonna simply put a little piece of a ginger. I'm gonna leave all the skin on it. Sometimes I take the skin off, to be honest. Yeah, that looking really good. I got some chisel seed, but you can put that on the top when we blend it, so that's no rush. You can put a little bit of apple cider vinegar inside of it if you like to. You know what I mean? If you want to put some honey, you can put some honey. I want to leave it natural. Just want to leave it natural. I'm in the kitchen early in the morning and you want to make something like this. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blend it honestly, and it blend out really finely. Look at that. Really amazing, fantastic and fabulous. I love it. Now I'm gonna just drink a big glass of this smoothie right here. And not only that, this is a healthy one. Healthy smoothie. I'm gonna put a little bit of my seed on top of it, alright? That is beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, tips and ideas will be coming for you guys. As you can see, this is amazing recipe, and hopefully you guys will like this one. You can put celery inside of it. I didn't put any celery. Well, I will name the ingredients which I use on my Instagram page or below in the description box. Or go to my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and please stay tuned. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.